Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up commute alerts in the Uber app. Commute alerts notify you when your regular rides are ready. By following these simple steps, you will ensure timely pickups and avoid delays during your daily smooth travel. First, open the Uber app on your phone. Next, tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. Then, select Settings from the menu. After that, scroll down until you find Ride Preferences and tap on Commute Alerts. Then, click Get Started. Next, add your commute by entering a pickup location, a drop-off location, and a drop-off time. Then, select your commute days. Finally, click Save to activate your alerts. If you want to turn alerts on or off, toggle the Commute Alert switch. To delete a commute, tap the commute icon. Then scroll down and click Delete Commute and confirm Delete. That's it. You now know how to set up, toggle, and delete commute alerts in the Uber app. If this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.